You're drowning in a sea of to-do lists, spreadsheets, and sticky notes. Your projects are a tangled mess of deadlines and priorities. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you there's a tool that could be your personal productivity superhero? A tool that can manage your tasks, track your projects, and even boost your team collaboration? Intrigued? Let's dive into ClickUp. What is ClickUp? Now, you might be thinking, ClickUp? Isn't that just another project management tool? And you'd be partially right. But ClickUp is so much more. It's a versatile platform that's like a Swiss Army knife for your workflow. It can be a simple to-do list, a complex project management system, or anything in between. It's customizable, adaptable, and designed to grow with your needs. Core features. Let's break down some of ClickUp's core features. First, there are tasks. Think of them as the building blocks of your work. You can create tasks, assign them, set due dates, and add subtasks. But it doesn't stop there. You can add checklists, custom fields, and even attachments to make sure every detail is covered. Next up, we have lists. Lists are like folders for your tasks. You can group tasks by project, team, or any other category you can think of. And here's where things get interesting. ClickUp offers different view modes for your lists. You can switch between a traditional list view, a Kanban board, a calendar, or a mind map. So, whether you're a visual learner or a checklist fanatic, there's a view for you. Now, let's talk about spaces. Spaces are like workspaces for your entire team. You can create different spaces for different departments or projects. This is where collaboration really shines. You can share files, comment on tasks, and even use ClickUp's chat feature to communicate with your team in real time. Beyond the basics. But ClickUp doesn't stop at task management and collaboration. It offers a whole suite of features to supercharge your productivity. There are goals to help you track your progress, time tracking to see where your time is going, and even document creation for capturing ideas and information. Use cases. So, who can benefit from ClickUp? Well, pretty much everyone. Freelancers can use it to manage their clients and projects. Small teams can use it to collaborate on tasks and deadlines. And large enterprises can use it to streamline their workflows and improve efficiency. Let's look at some specific use cases. A marketing team can use ClickUp to plan campaigns, track social media metrics, and manage content creation. A software development team can use it to manage sprints, track bugs, and collaborate on code reviews. And a remote team can use it to stay connected and organized, no matter where they are. Customization and integration. One of the things that makes ClickUp so powerful is its customization options. You can create custom fields, workflows, and automations to fit your specific needs. And if you're already using other tools, don't worry. ClickUp integrates with a wide range of apps, so you can keep using your favorite tools while still benefiting from ClickUp's central hub. ClickUp is more than just a project management tool. It's a platform that can help you organize your life, boost your productivity, and improve collaboration. Whether you're a solopreneur or part of a large enterprise, ClickUp has something to offer. So why not give it a try? Sign up for a free account and start exploring all that ClickUp has to offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.